And on the other side, this is where we can see the medial condyle right here. And so if we had the full picture of the femur, we would see this is on the same side as the head, which will tell you medial from lateral. So there's our medial condyle. And again, we'll see that a little bit better when we get to the posterior view. We also have our medial epicondyle just sitting right here on it. And then if you'll notice, there's actually one small little bump sitting all by itself still here. And again, on the medial side. And so this small little bump all by itself is that adductor tubercle. Remember, tubercle is going to mean small rounded bump on a bone. Now looking at the posterior view, we get a much better view of our condyle. So here is our lateral condyle right here. We also see our lateral epicondyle that just sits right there on it. Now on the other side, we can see our medial condyle right here. See a little bit of the medial epicondyle right here, but we saw it better from the other view. But it's just the bump that sits on the medial condyle. And then just hanging out all by itself, we get a really good view of that adductor tubercle right there. And so that is where that adductor magnus is going to insert. So let me erase all that so we can get the better view. So you can see that bump just kind of sitting there all by itself on the medial side. Now we also see the space in between the two condyles, which is that intercondylar fossa. And also what I want to point out is the popliteal surface, which is going to be this little triangle of space right there. That is the popliteal surface. So right about behind the knee. And that is going to finish bones of chapter 3.